Hello friends, I am Dr. Yogesh Andoji. Currently, I am working as Assistant Professor in Department of Botany, PDVP College, Tasgaon. Today's our topic of discussion is prokaryotic cell, which is from syllabus of BSc third year. Okay? Prokaryotic cell. The typical example of prokaryotic cell is bacteria. The meaning of prokaryotic cell is pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. The cell which contains primitive type of nucleus means nucleus is not well developed. So here we are going to first draw the structure of a prokaryotic cell. So this is plasma membrane of bacteria. This is plasma membrane of bacteria. Outside the plasma membrane, there is a presence of cell wall. Outside plasma membrane, there is a presence of cell wall. This is plasma membrane, and outside to that, there is a presence of cell wall. In case of bacteria, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Outside cell wall, there is a presence of slimy structure throughout the wall, and this structure is known as glycocalyx or capsule. The structure is known as glycocalyx or capsule. Now, inside the cell, in prokaryotic cell, that is bacterial cell, typical cell organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, these cell organelles are absent. So, the main function of production of ATP, that is respiration, taken place by mitochondria, is altered by this structure, which is cup shaped, formed due to infolding of plasma membrane, and this structure is known as mesosome. Okay. First function is production of ATP, as well as second function, it helps in cell division. Okay. First function is production of ATP, and second one is it helps in cell division. After that, the genetic material. In case of prokaryotic cell, the genetic material is circular, typical double-stranded DNA. Typical circular double-stranded DNA without histone and proteins. So, the nucleus, as we named it as a double-stranded DNA, okay, which is without nuclear pore, nucleoplasm, nuclear membrane, okay. So this structure is known as nucleoid. This structure is known as nucleoid. As definition of prokaryotic cell, pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. Here, primitive type of nucleus is present, so it is called as nucleoid. After that, as I discussed earlier, there is absence of typical double membranous cell organelles. Okay, so the cell organelle only present is ribosome, and this ribosome is of 70S type, which helps in protein synthesis. Okay, after that, besides this genetic material, okay, there is a presence of extra chromosomal autonomous self-replicating DNA, which is known as plasmid. This is known as plasmid. As the cell contains plasmid, if the bacterial cell have plasmid, then it is called as positive strain. Means if plasmid present, then cell is called as donor cell or positive strain cell. If plasmid is absent, then it is called as recipient cell or negative strain cell. Okay. After that, there are number of outgrowths. First one, which shows a structure like this, okay, which is a tail-like structure. This is known as flagella. Okay. Besides that, some hair-like projections are also present throughout the cell wall. These are known as cilia. Both cilia and flagella takes part in locomotion, means both are locomotory organs. Besides that, there is a presence of again hair-like structures which are known as fimbriae. The function of fimbriae is to attach to specific substratum. Okay, in some bacteria there is a presence of again hair-like structures which are known as sex pili. Now, plasmid is autonomous self-replicating extrachromosomal DNA, means it contains gene. Mainly, the bacterial plasmid contains 3 types of genes. Okay, the first one is F gene. Which is fertility gene. Means F gene is present on that specific plasmid. There is a presence of sex pili. So, we can conclude by presence of sex pili as there is a presence of plasmid inside that bacteria. Okay, if sex pili is absent, then the bacterial cell is without plasmid. The first gene is F gene, which is fertility gene. The second gene is R gene, which is resistant gene, resistant to specific antibiotic, means antibiotic resistant gene. The third gene is Col gene. This Col gene is against the toxin cholecystine, resistant gene. During the discussion of bacteria, there is division of bacteria into 2 main types as gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Gram positive and gram negative bacteria. This division takes place with the help of Gram stain. This staining procedure is first time given by scientist Christian Gram, and he used the stain crystal violet. Those bacterial cells which takes crystal violet and appears dark colored, those are called as gram positive bacteria. And this dark color is due to this cell wall, because gram positive bacteria contains thick cell wall. In case of gram negative bacteria, the cell wall is somewhat less thick, due to which crystal violet is not taken by them. So they become light color. The details of this gram staining we will study in next chapter. Thank you.